Hi, welcome to Crazy Code Dunia. We started a new series on logical program called as Logical Program Practice. In each episode in this series, we focus on different logical programming concept. Every program we break down in simple step with logic. We explain every program with logic and well in detail. We solve that program on IDE. Today we will see a new program called as count digit in a integer number. Means whatever number it is given to you, you need to find how many number, how many digit have in that number. Let's take an example. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a number. So we need to find how many digit in that number. How many digit have in that number. So in that number we have digit, it's called as output should be 9. So we have to find digit in that number. Same thing we can apply if someone given a mobile number. So if the mobile number is valid or not, how we can find? Same thing we will find in this program. So program is like check given mobile number is is valid or not. So like this we can find digit of integer number or given mobile number is valid or not. So let's jump on logic how we can find digit in a integer number. So logic to find digit. Okay, I will take one while loop to iterate till each number. So while loop is number is greater than 0, or you can take or you have two option. You can take number not equal to 0. You can take this condition also in the while loop. It's depend on you. Okay, so I am taking this condition as of now. You can apply this condition also. That is well and good, no problem. Okay. Okay, so let's check what we have here. We have a number, so let's declare that integer number something 1 2 3 3 2 1 and 4 5. So we need to find how many digit in this number. So how we will count? We will take one variable that is called as count. Count is equal to 0. While each iteration we will do count. So what we will do here? We will check if number is greater than 0. We will come inside the while loop and we will check if number is equal to number divided by 10. So what we did here, we will just separate each number by dividing by 10. So suppose this is the number. If we divided by 10, so we will get output 5, and that 5 we will add into count. So we will do count plus plus, and lastly we will just print that count. So this is the logic to find count of number or count of digit in the given number. Let's create a new class called as a5 digit of number. Let's create one main method inside that class. Okay, so I will take number from client. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So we will take input from user. So what is input? Sys out. Enter a number. This is one input we taking from client. We need to store that input in one variable. So I will take one variable integer number. Integer number. So what is that number? Sc is equal to sc dot next int. So now whatever the number is entered by client, it is stored in a number. Let's apply while loop. While number is greater than 0, number is greater than 0, number divided by 10 is equal to number. So what logic here happen? So whatever the number we divided by 10, it will be decrement by each last digit. Means first time if you enter 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 will be divided, 5 will be removed, and 1 2 3 4 will be forwarded for each loop, and it will be counted as a 1. So here count plus plus, but I haven't declared that count variable. So let's declare count is equal to 0. Okay, so let's print this one. Digit in a number is count. Let's save Java application and run this program. Enter number. Let's enter 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So digit in a number is 8.